How to fix if your Android device, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are not working. Solution number 1 is to restart your device. Restarting can resolve temporary glitches, so you have to hold your power button and then tap restart. If that does not help you, now you can toggle your airplane mode. Airplane mode resets network connections, so you can swipe down your control panel, navigate to the airplane mode, and all you can do is turn on the airplane mode from here and wait for a few seconds and turn it off, and then connect back to your internet and check whether the problem can be solved or not. If not, solution number 3 is to forget and reconnect Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Reestablishing the connections can fix pairing or connectivity issue. For that, you can go to your settings, tap on your Wi-Fi or mobile and internet, go to your Wi-Fi, tap on your network, and then simply tap on forget, and again you have to reconnect back. So for Bluetooth, you can also do the same thing. You can go to your settings, go to your Bluetooth, then forget paired devices and repair them. If that does not help you, then you have to clear cache. So you have to go to your settings. You can simply go back from here, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on 3 dot from the top right, tap on show system, tap on the search bar. Now search for Bluetooth, tap on Bluetooth. Once you're here, tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Sometimes the corrupted cache data can cause the issue. After clearing the cache, your problem might get solved. Now if this still does not help you, then you have to check for your device or the system update box in the outdated software can affect functionality. So look for your software updates. For that, navigate to the settings, tap on your settings, scroll down and tap on system, tap on software update. If you have any available updates, then simply install the update. If that still does not help you, then you can reset your network setting. So for that, again, open up settings, tap on system, tap on reset option. In order to reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, tap on the first option, then simply tap on reset setting, confirm it, and your network setting will get reset. After that, again, you have to connect back to your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth device. And the last option is to check for any interference. Nearby devices or signal can cause interfere, so you have to move away from the other device emitting radio signals, example microwaves or routers, or ensure that there is no any metal objects obstructing the signals. So by following all the solution, your problem will get solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.